Hey guys, it's MartyBlendz and I'm back with another tutorial. In this video, I'll be demonstrating a mid-drop crop top. We'll start off by using our trimmers to set our first baseline, and then get rid of everything underneath. With your shaver, now remove all excess stubble. Opening up the lever fully will create a half-inch guideline. You now want to close up the lever and hit that baseline halfway through. Remember that you'll need to keep opening up the lever as you go up. With your 1.5, create a full inch guideline. Right above, hit the number 2 using a flick out motion. Now for this next step, slap on the half guard halfway open and make a half-inch guideline. Next, you want to open up the lever and go up about 1/4 inch. With your number 1, use your corners to ease off all the dark spots. Finally, use the lever all the way open, no guard, to remove the last line you see. And guys, details are key, so come back and work on all the imperfections. Towards the top, I basically cut everything one length and cross cut to enhance the messy look. If you do want more texture, dry up the hair with a diffuser and then add some volumizing powder. Guys, if you did like this video or learn anything from me today, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, comment what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.